Hello student, in today's lecture we will discuss about the next topic. Topic is fitting the growth curve models. In such case, the exponential curves of the type, that is first type is capital Y is equal to A into E raised to B capital X. Second type is capital Y is equal to A into B raised to capital X. And third type is capital Y is equal to A into capital X raised to B. Now we will discuss the procedure of fitting such curves one by one. So first is capital Y is equal to A into E raised to Bx. This is equation number 1. The constants A and B in equation 1 are to be determined by the method of least squares. That is, let xi, yi, I running from 1 to n be the n pairs of values on variables capital X and capital Y in a bivariate data. Taking bivariate data, then taking logarithmic of both sides of equation, we get then log to the base 10 capital Y, log to the base 10 capital Y is equal to, we know that log of A into e raised to bx is nothing but log A into log e raised to bx, and log e raised to bx is nothing but bx into log e, that is log to the base 10 capital Y is equal to log to the base 10 A plus bx into log to the base 10 e, that is log to the base 10 y is equal to log to the base 10 a plus value of this log e is 0.4343 into this bx, that is capital U is equal to capital A plus capital B into capital X. This is equation number 2, and where U is equal to log 10 y comma A is equal to log to the base 10 a and B is equal to 0.4343 into B. We note that equation 2 is a linear equation of regression of U on X, and by the method of least squares, the normal equations for the estimating A and B are capital U, that is summation U is equal to n into A, that is series of 1 is n into A plus B into summation capital X. This is equation number 3, and summation Ux is equal to A summation x plus B summation x square. This is equation number 4. By getting sums summation U, summation Ux, summation x square, equations 3 and 4 can be solved simultaneously for A and B, and then using relations A is equal to antilog of A and B is equal to capital B upon 0.4343, required equation can be obtained. So if we have to given that y is equal to A into e raised to bx, then we use this A is equal to antilog of A and B is equal to B of B upon 0.4343 to find the value of A and B. Then next is capital Y is equal to A into B raised to x, equation number 6. To find the values of A and B in equation 6 by the method of least squares, we first take logarithm of both the sides, then log to the base 10 y is equal to, also use the log A and B is equal A into B is equal to log A into log B, that is log to the base 10 A plus capital X into log B to the base 10, that is capital U is equal to A plus Bx. This is equation number 7, which is a linear equation of capital U on X, and we know that by the methods of least squares to estimate capital A and capital B, the normal equations are, that is taking sum of both sides, we get summation U plus summation A is constant, then summation 1 is n into A plus B into summation x. This is equation number 8. Summation Ux is equal to A into summation x plus B into summation x square. This is equation number 9. Then using bivariate data cap x I comma y I running from 1 to n on both sides, we can obtain sums required in equation 8 and 9, and solving the equation 8 and 9 simultaneously, we get A and B, capital A and B, and then obtain small a and small b. So small a is equal to antilog of A and B is equal to antilog of capital B. Third, capital Y is equal to A into xb. To estimate values of A and B, we convert this in linear form of taking, then take by a logarithm of both sides, we get log to the base 10 y is equal to log to the base 10 a plus b into log to the base 10 x, that is v is equal to a plus b u. Equation number 11, where v is equal to log to the base 10 y and a is equal to log to the base 10 a and u is equal to log to the base 10 x. We note that equation 11 is linear equation and least squares method. Then normal equation for estimating a and b are, then taking summation of both sides, we get capital V is equal to na plus b summation u and capital U summation uv is equal to capital A summation capital U plus b summation u square. This is equation number 13. Then from a pair of bivariate data xi, then after solving this simultaneous equation 11, 12 and 13, we get a and b, and from this equation a is equal to antilog of a and equation 10 gives the desired equation.